smelling them gives me tingles. So it's nice. It's nice. I have milk with me.
Don't finish all of it. And
No.
Thank you.
Just in case. I doubt I will need a lot, but
Just a splash.
I'll start.
It's not stew.
Nie, mam mala, czy jak to się tam nazywa.
I want to eat another portion of the carbonara once.
W Scoville'u ma to mało, tylko to bardziej... W Scoville'u nie ma to aż wiele, ale... To chodzi o to, że ci kurwa znieczula mordę. W Scoville'ach chyba niewiele, ale to czuć o wiele bardziej.
Do you want me to Google the Scoville?
It's low, you don't really have to.
It's not that high. I remember that it wasn't that high.
No.
But it's the way it's spicy. That's
Yeah.
the problem. It's not... Like some super high Scoville stuff is not that bad.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why people watch hot ones and the last dab is never as bad as they say it is.
Yeah.
Poggers.
Okej, co by tutaj puścić w tle, żeby leciało? Jakąś muzyczkę? I some background music. Dawaj na ring.
I don't.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, I live with my girlfriend. This smells amazing, to be honest.
Smells like pepper.
Smells like I wanna eat it.
Do it.
Oh, come on. Not bad.
Can I taste? Can I take myself? Okay.
I mean, these ones are like... They don't feel spicy at first, but then it develops, and then you fucking die.
Oh no. I only feel the spice on my tongue.
Okay, it's alright for now, but I know I'm gonna fucking die.
Ow.
Oh.
My tongue.
It's kicking in. Woo! I need to take off my glasses.
What?
Ooh. I can still feel the flavor, at least.
It's fine as long as I don't swallow my own saliva.
Ooh. Fuck.
Yeah, they're definitely more spicy than the 2X ones.
I don't know.
But I think they're spicy in a different way.
Yeah. My mouth is getting numb. Drętwieje mi morda.
The corners of my mouth are burning.
Yeah.
You want me to bring napkins? Okay, I'll bring napkins. I want more noodle.
Damn, they are good.
This brand is always good. Here, you have a napkin. Why use a fork? It's harder.
Not bad.
You can grip them with the chopsticks. It's much easier.
And my lips are kinda They changed color.
Damn, what lip color you wearing, Queen?
O. O. Kurwa. Jebie mnie teraz.
Oh.
No, no napkin.
No, I was showing to the camera. Red oil.
Oh.
Wipe the corners of your mouth.
Oh. Fuck. Now it kicks in.
If one of us had corona, we both would have it.
It's done.
We live together in a very small apartment.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah, I think so at least. Oh, okay.
It's
Okay.
good. I mean, the flavor's good.
I'm
so-
fucking great. Oh, okay. They're not bad. They are quite tasty actually. But I can feel the pain kind of setting in. And my nose is running.
You need napkins?
Yeah, more.
Okay.
I didn't cry, but my nose is starting to leak as fuck.
Yeah.
And I have lips. You see?
I'm getting a bunch of napkins.
Ooh. Not bad. Ze strania chyba nie.
Noodle unboxing.
That's a lot. Oh shit.
Good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah. I remember the time like 2 years ago almost when you ate 2 bowls of noodles.
Yeah, like 2 years ago I was doing a drunk stream. And then I took like 2 packs of 2 times spicy ones. And I just ate them, one after another. And
You seemed fine at the time.
I don't know, I had the worst shit of my life the morning. the next morning, so it wasn't bad.
Noodle unboxing.
Yeah, wait, give me the box.
Can I count?
Yeah, look.
We've
I
got
have,
noodles.
yeah. All of this are fucking noodles. Fucking quarantine is getting to me and like... And we were just bored, so we ordered lots of noodles, like good shit. I don't know.
Which were
It's
those? Were those the one I wanted?
udon something.
Yeah, udon, because they sounded funny.
Yeah, some bulnak.
Yeah, these were
I don't know.
seafood from Samyang, and I like
Good
seafood.
shit.
These
Oh.
are mine too, because these are
And
also
this one's
seafood.
spicy chicken with carbonara.
I had these. These are so good. These are amazing.
This one are pretty good. I recommend.
Huh? Which one?
Spaghetti.
If you
Good
watch
shit.
Parasite, you combine these two.
Oh, do you?
These two in Parasite, in the Oscar-winning movie Parasite, they combine these two, and they make really good noodles. They also add sirloin
Yeah.
steak though.
And some Indonesian.
Indomie.
Yeah. They are pretty good.
I might make.
Yeah, that's all I think I have for now. This is gonna last me for a while.
Should I make?
I think I'm fine for now.
No, for me. Put in my lap.
Yeah. Where did you? Oh, there is a store in Sweden.
Most I assume like
called
most.
Noodle Quick.
Yeah, noodlequick.se. If you're in Sweden, you can order. It was really quick delivery. When did we order? Tuesday?
Yeah, I think so. I don't remember, but
Monday. or
anyways,
Tuesday?
it's not hurting that much anymore. But I wanna drink milk anyway because
For
it's
your
yummy.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy. I don't know.
Zamawiane. Perfect.
Tell chat. Hold them up. Which one should I eat? Which one?
This one sounds fun, but they're spicy, I don't know.
They're spicy too.
True. Yeah, this one then.
Which one has the most calories? I need gains.
Oof. Okay, I survived. Not that bad, actually. Oh yeah, I have a quick advertisement that I forgot to put in the bot, but you know, there is a good deal for Engage if anyone wants to try it right now. It's like 1 can costs €1, so yeah, it's pretty good, you know.
Rafa, did you ever put the Engage in the fridge?
No.
No.
Also, yeah, you can order 12 pack for €12 and 24 pack for €24. That's a pretty good deal, I'd say. Very nice. If you compare it to Swedish prices, I would say it's worth it.
Yeah, if you're in Sweden, it's worth it. The noodle, Rafa, the noodle thickness on this is way thinner, so I think I'm going with the no.
Yeah, do that.
Is the pot still there? I'm gonna clean it. Where the fuck do I put these noodles?
I don't know, in the closet or something.
There's no space in the closet. I'll put them on your side of the bed for now, on your pillow.
Ta bývala to używałem do kocioła. Jak piłem.
I'm gonna eat these boogers.
Huh?
Yeah,
No, good. Yeah, they're good.
you don't like these.
They're alright, but I don't really like seafood noodles. I like seafood, but not seafood instant noodles.
I like fish cake.
Oh wait, I forgot about the gameplay. I'm so sorry, guys. My bad. 1 second.
Brain damage.
Yeah, the noodles gave me brain damage. This shit happens. Oh, it's qualified. PogChamp, actual PogChamp. But, well, actually, let's fucking play it. Stream compilation. Wait, it's on compilation.
You want the boiled leg?
No, thank you.
Okay. I was thinking your tummy might want it, but well.
Well, I have to delete this one. Oh no, the bug came back. This map is fucking cursed, man. Like, I deleted already. But wait, I need to open the folder, delete it again.